In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own AI helper with Google Gemini. By the end, you'll have a friendly study assistant set up and ready to summarize, take notes, and quiz you, all inside your browser. First, open a modern web browser and head to gemini.google.com app. This is Google's official Gemini interface where you can start conversations with the model. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your regular Google account. Once the page loads, you're in the Gemini home area, which shows your recent conversations and tools. Keep in mind, as with any AI chat, avoid sharing sensitive personal details. Your goal here is simply to create a helpful assistant persona you can reuse whenever you study. Next, look for the new chat button. It usually appears along the left panel or near the top, depending on your screen size. Clicking it opens a fresh conversation so your assistant has a clean slate and won't mix in anything from older sessions. You should see a message box at the bottom where you can type. In that box, paste or type a short role prompt that tells Gemini how to behave. Use this exact wording. Act as my personal study assistant. Summarize texts, create handwritten style notes, quiz me, and give clear, friendly explanations. This prompt is concise but specific. It sets the assistant's job, describes the deliverables you care about, summaries, study notes, and quizzes, and guides the tone to stay clear and supportive. Handwritten style notes signals that you want structured, student-friendly bullet-like outlines and emphasis, even though everything is typed. And Quiz Me encourages interactive, space-checking of understanding. You can always refine the phrasing later, but this is a strong starting point for most subjects. When you're happy with the prompt, click Submit or press Enter. Gemini will respond within a moment, typically acknowledging the role and outlining how it can support you. That initial reply confirms everything is set. From that point on, your assistant is primed to deliver concise summaries, clean, note-style outputs, and quick knowledge checks in a friendly tone, all within the same conversation. If something misses the mark, just state your preference in plain language, shorter, more examples, simpler wording, and continue the chat. The assistant will adapt without you starting over. And that's it. With a single prompt in a new Gemini chat, you've created a focused AI study helper that can streamline reading, note-taking, and review. Enjoy studying smarter.